Now let's get straight to Darren Bett at the BBC Weather Centre.
Thank you very much, Lisa. Good morning. This is the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 05:05 on Sunday, the 30th of October. There are warnings of gales in Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Faroes and southeast Iceland. The general synopsis at midnight: low Rockall 983, expected Iceland 977 by midnight tonight. So to the area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Sierra, south at Sierra, northeast 40s. Southeasterly veering southwesterly later 4 to 6, rain, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Southwest 40s, Cromarty, 4th time Dogger. Southerly 4 to 6, showers, good, occasionally moderate. Fisher, German Bight. South or southwest 3 to 5, showers, fog patches in Fisher, moderate or good, occasionally very poor in Fisher. Humber, Thames, Dover, White. South or southwest 4 to 6, rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor at first. Portland, Plymouth, northwest Biscay. Southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in Plymouth. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Biscay. Variable, mainly westerly 2 to 4, becoming southeasterly 3 to 5 later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Fitzroy, Seoul. Southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in the west, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. South or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale-late at first. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Shannon. South or southwest 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale-late for a time. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Rockall. Cyclonic, mainly south, 5 to 7, increasing gale-late at times. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Malin, Hebrides. South, 6 to gale-late, thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Bailey. Cyclonic 6 to gale-late, becoming south, 4 to 6 for a time. Thundery showers, then rain later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle. Southerly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first in the west, then backing southeasterly later. Rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Faroes. South 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale-late for a time. Rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And southeast Iceland. Easterly or southeasterly, veering southwesterly later. 6 to gale-late. Rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 0400. Tyree Automatic. South-southeast 7, 6 miles 999, falling. Stornoway. South 4, 12 miles 999, falling more slowly. Lerwick. South-southeast 4, slight rain 100 metres 1005, falling more slowly. Lucas. Northwest by north 1, rain 1700 metres 1006, falling slowly. Bridlington. Southwest by south 3, 1010, rising slowly. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic. Southwest 4, 11 miles 1015. Greenwich Light Vessel Automatic. South-southwest 4, 11 miles 1015. Jersey. South by west 4, 1015, now rising. Channel Light Vessel Automatic. South 5, 1013. Scilly Automatic. South-southwest 7, mist 4 miles 1007, falling slowly. Valencia. South by east 3, slight drizzle 7 miles 998, steady. Ronaldsway. South by west 5, recent showers 7 miles 1006, falling slowly. And Malin Head. Southeast by south 4, 14 miles 998, falling slowly. Now here is the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 0500. The general situation: the strong southerly airflow continues to dominate across the United Kingdom, with gales expected in the north and west. It will be a showery day with thunder likely, particularly in the west. So Cape Wrath to Rattray Head including Orkney. Southeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, then veering southerly later. Showers, good. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Southerly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 mainly in the north. Showers later, good. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. Southerly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in the north. Fair, then showers, good. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. South 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first, fair, then showers, good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Southerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later in the north, rain at first, good, occasionally moderate at first. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Southerly or southwesterly 3 or 4, occasionally 5 at first, rain at first, good, occasionally moderate at first. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. South or southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first. Occasional rain at first in the east, good, occasionally moderate at first in the east. Lyme Regis to Land's End including the Isles of Scilly. Southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, good, occasionally poor at first. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Southerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale at 8 at first in the northwest. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, good, occasionally poor at first. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. Southerly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, veering southwesterly 4 to 6 for a time. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, good, occasionally poor at first. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. South or southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, good, occasionally poor at first. Isle of Man. Southerly veering southwesterly 5 or 6, occasionally 7 in the west. Showers, fair later, good, occasionally moderate. Lochfoyle to Carlingford Loch. South 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, good, occasionally poor at first. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southerly 5 or 6, increasing 7 at times, mainly in North Channel. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, good, occasionally poor at first. Mull of Kintyre to Adnamacken Point. Southerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 for a time in the north. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, good, occasionally poor at first. Adnamacken Point to Cape Wrath. South 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 for a time at first, veering southwest 5 or 6, then backing south 6 to gale 8 later. Showers, perhaps thundery at first, rain later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And Shetland Isles. Southerly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first in the south. Occasional rain or drizzle at first, showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin. I'll be back with the general weather forecast in just a few minutes.